Hi, in this video, we are going to learn ANSYS on plotting pressure distribution and velocity vector over symmetrical airfoil. First of all, come to the mesh part. In mesh part, we will go to the mesh control. There you will find the face meshing. Click on the face meshing and click on the face to be meshed. Further, generate mesh. Wait for a while so that the face get meshed completely. Now click on the mesh control. There you will find the sizing. In sizing, you have to select the edges. Click on all the edges present in the part. You will find totally 266 edges. Click on number of divisions. Take number of divisions as 50. Then click on update. Now the update has been completed. Minimize the click on the setup. You will find the options as double precision, use job scheduler. Click on double precision. In processing option, click on parallel. Number of processors should take us to. Click on OK. Minimize the terminal. Don't close it, let it be. Just wait for a while so that it can load it completely. In general, you will find the density based option. In solver, click on it. Then further move to models. There you will find the viscous. Click on viscous and select the Inviscid option. Click on OK. Next, move to boundary conditions. There you will find the inlet option. Click on inlet. Take the x component as 0.990268 and y component as 0.1391731. Click on OK. And move to solutions. There you'll find the methods. Click on it. In formulations, click on explicit. Further, in installation, you'll find the standard installations. Click on it. In compute, click on inlet option as you have taken it before. Click on initialize and wait for a while. Click on run calculations. In run calculations, you will find number of iterations. Take 1000 as iterations. Click on calculate. Once the running calculation has been completed, click on OK. Further, move towards the result. There you will find the graphic counters. Click on pressure. Select all the above bodies such as inlet, interior surface body, outlet and walls. Click on display and compute. You can see the static pressure over the airfoil. Now click on velocity and again compute. Now you can see the velocity magnitude over the airfoil.
Yeah.